I guess I am that
Katrina,
wide.
there he is.
I guess. Hello, everybody. Hope you all having a good day today. And I hope you all having a good experience in watching our videos. Today, we're going to the post office box because Katrina sent us something. And she wants us to videotape and send a picture of something. I don't know. We will see when we get there. Our P.O. Box is 742 in Kathleen. It's in the description. Some people, when they send us stuff, they say, hey, don't worry about putting it on video. Other people say, put it on the video. They don't care. So today's adventure is to the post office. And anyone that sends us anything, and you know who you are, you watch the channel. A lot of you don't comment that send this stuff. We appreciate everything you send us. So we take it to heart. So this is going to be a good one, guys. Going to the P.O. Box to pick up something. A package. Hope you guys, I know it's early. I hope you guys do the Christmas cards, the ones who's done it in the past years, where we send Christmas cards to each other. You know, if you haven't sent us a Christmas card, you could send us an email, your address and stuff, and we'll send it to you. Another thing, too, with the Christmas cards thing, you know, when we send them out, we'd like to receive back Christmas cards. So it's a Christmas cards exchange. So BB does keep an eye on, you know, if we get returns from people and or not. So that's how we know how to send out the Christmas cards to the people we have already in her Christmas card list thing there. So because they've sent something back. So don't let it be a one-way Christmas card thing. Doesn't take a lot of money. You can go to the dollar store. Christmas cards are not expensive, but it's just to keep the Christmas card spirit going along. Especially nowadays where everything's internet, nothing's personal no more. These mail vlogs are very personal, and I said we are very close with a lot of people. So if you want to be part of that, send us something. I think the greatest joy in life is people sending stuff to each other. It's very personal that way. Especially nowadays where, like I said, people are not getting out. They're not sending mail no more. Everything's internet or... And I know a lot of you grow up with mail, so do it. Do it to it. All right, we got a key. Oh, we must have a lot of things because we got a key and we have a yellow envelope. So we must have mail from a bunch of people. All right, let's go get the key one first. All right, let's see, what key are we going to? 1233. Okay, that one right here. Let's see what we got going on. Oh, no. Now, let's go pick up the other stuff we got. Thanks for telling me. I keep forgetting my key. Thank God someone came and told me. Goddamn. Keep forgetting my key, man. All right, that bottom one is from Katrina. All right, let's see what we got. All right, I know the small one is from, I don't know where. The bottom one. That big one is from Katrina. That small one, I don't know who the heck it's from. How many of you guys still do mail? Like, I pay my bills by mail. I don't do that online stuff. But let me know how many of you guys still deliver your bills through the mail, write checks. Like I said, you know, if something's due on the 5th and I want to pay it the following week, I like to have control of paying my bills. I don't like someone to have access to just automatically take it out of my checking account there. So let me know. Enough of me yapping. Let's get busy and let's open up some mail. It's Thin and Crispy Crust by Great Value. Topped with tomato sauce, mozzarella, provolone, cheese, and pepperoni. Pepperoni made with pork, chicken, and beef. Now that we're back from the commercial break, priority mail. And Katrina said she had to pay for that tape. They asked her if she wanted tape. She said yeah, and they gave her that, and then they charged her for it because it said priority mail. That was an $18.35 postage fee. I ain't never spent that much for 3 pounds.
First.
All right, let's start with this one here because I don't know what that is. It says, no, start with that one. That's from
okay.
Amazon. Just wanted to see what it is.
Good Lord.
Alrighty.
Electric air duster.
Okay. All right, baby. This is from Katrina. Priority mail, $18. Be easy how you cut it, because that's one expensive tape you're cutting like that.
No kidding.
She had to pay for that.
I see that.
No, they asked her if she needed tape. She said, yeah, they gave her that tape, and then they charged her for priority mail.
Oh, my God.
She could have went to the dollar store and got a whole roll for $1.25. So don't ever borrow tape from the post office.
From the post office.
Alrighty, what the heck? Let's see how she installed it. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Even the bubbles don't pop.
So this has got to be
All right,
for
this
you.
is my shirt that I took a... What the...
What's it say?
I know that shirt is... What size is that shirt? There's no way I'm that big.
That's a 2XL.
Are you serious? Is that from Buc-ee's?
That's from Buc-ee's.
No.
Dude.
Buc-ee's sells a shirt like that? I took a massive shit in a Buc-ee's pants. Jeez, that looks like a blanket. Anyway, she wants a picture of me wearing that.
See, you wear this.
Oh,
Carlos
my God.
wears the other one.
Butt man and cocker man. Oh, my gosh. I can't believe that.
That's funny. I like that. Thank you, Katrina.
Alrighty, and then we got a Walmart gift card.
Says, oh, thank you very much.
For $60. Thank you.
There are times when just one thank you isn't enough. Thanks for all the adventures and always thinking of me and Lacey. You're great friends. Enjoy the Food Lion stuff and hope you like the shirt, Katrina.
Good vibes.
I like that card. He's cute. All right.
I hope she didn't give her Tupperware up.
There's
in
your
the
mac and
house.
cheese.
Oh my gosh, Food Lion.
There's some blueberry muffins.
Food Lion.
Buffalo seasoning.
Oh, wow. We can use that for wings.
Yes.
In the oven, right?
Yeah.
I think we can do that in the oven.
There is the
onion
ring.
Onion ring batter.
Yeah. And she got you some corn chips.
That's good because you want to know why?
Do the chili?
No. I got something even better.
Oh my God.
Yeah. And you're going to like it.
Okay.
So these are all Food Lion and good because I can make a video with that.
Good.
As a matter of fact, yeah. I can make a video with the Food Lion mac and cheese.
That's good.
And now you got yourself a Tupperware
Yeah.
that I hope she didn't spend a lot of money for. Alrighty, BB. What did you think?
I like it. I like it. I like that shirt.
I just want to see if it fits me. Hang on. I
All right, Katrina, there he is.
I guess I am that big. Jesus Christ. There it is. You're going to be seeing me wear it. All right, that looks pretty good.
Yeah, and that's the great value.
Yeah.
And this is the thin crust, so.
Alrighty, well, thank you, Katrina. We'll definitely be wearing that shirt.
Yes.
Definitely, I'm going to be wearing that shirt a lot, especially as it's cooling off. But I can't believe how big it looked. And it fit me good. Jesus Christ. Jesus. Louise. That's all I could say. Well, thanks anyone who sends us anything.
Yes.
Like I said, if you wanted us to do a video, we'd be happy to do a video. If you don't want us to do a video, that's fine as well. We are going to chomp into this pizza.
Yes.
Definitely make some food videos with those Food Lion stuff. And I don't know what else to say other than, you know, we appreciate everyone who watches the channel.
Comments.
Yeah, definitely
Yes,
throw some
thank you.
comments there, throw some likes. I guess there's a new thing. What's the other thing called?
Hype.
Hype the channel if you see the button. Just get up involved in it.
Yes.
And hopefully these videos make you smile, laugh, get mad, sad.
All the above.
All the above. So that's what it's about. Real life, real YouTubers.
Yes, so until the next video, everybody take care. Take care of one another. Take care of yourselves. See ya.